Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin and Mother Ethereum. All right, guys. So if you just landed here, you came to Love and Kill That Crypto, but the Reality Crypto Show, where you're going to get more of the truth instead of the moonshots or I don't know what you want to call bear boy analysis. All right. So here is the deal, guys. I'm going to let you know something. It's going to be interesting with Ethereum, guys. It's going to be real interesting with Ethereum. I am calling the God candles back in Ethereum. God candles are going to come back. Just like November 22, I called the God candles right around that time. I got evidence. Go ask B Daddy Crypto. He knows. So here's the deal. God candles, except these candles, they're not going to be green. They're going to be red in Ethereum. That's right. So you got a little bit of a wait, but here's the deal, Moon Boys. Check this out. You can get out. You have a life raft with Ethereum all the way up probably till October, maybe November, maybe even December. Okay? You have a life raft still. Plenty of time. Think about this. Do your own research and analysis into Ethereum. I'm going to show you some strong evidence that you might want to check into. Okay? I would do it. I would do it. This is not time to be a moon boy. Not in Ethereum. Not my opinion. All right, let's go. Here's Ethereum. Ethereum's got a questionable little structure in there, guys. First of all, let's go over Bitcoin. Bitcoin sideways action. It's doing the weekend party. So Bitcoin's doing the weekend party. You know what that means? Well, that means you can take time off from charts on the weekend. Go for a walk, drink some coffee, do some push-ups, sit-ups, get some sun. If you're in a sunny spot, cloudy day for me right now. But I got mine yesterday and the day before. You can do that. Relax. I don't know. Do whatever you need to do, man. Get focused, meditate, something like that, guys. Okay? Bitcoin in this section right over here. And I'm expecting maybe a little thrust into Bitcoin. I was going to say Sunday night, but maybe Monday, because it doesn't want to do anything on the weekend. Bitcoin goes to sleep. Bitcoin crawls into the sleeping bag on Saturday and Sunday and just crawls in there and says, got them now, man. Everybody's in their trades. Boom. Now I'm asleep. You have to love that. So pop right there, maybe above the 40, and then boom, maybe back down there. And it's going to have a thrust over here. Bitcoin's look a little bit more healthy than Ethereum. Okay. No God candles on Bitcoin, guys. Maybe. I want to go as far as saying a God candle, but maybe the last little thrust on Bitcoin, if it gets over 32K resistance, pops over there. And one last little pop, FOMO at the end, in my opinion, guys. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly looking pretty good. I don't know if that candle is going to come down and touch that 21 period moving average again. It could, guys. It's sitting right at 28.7. At 28.7. That 21 period moving average is giving a lot of support. You see last time it did wick through it there. So remains to be seen, guys. But I'm expecting up here, August, correction, and then maybe a thrust up into end of September, beginning of October is when I'll be checking out, guys. Not a God candle. Well, let's check this out. Do I think it's going to be that big? I mean, I wish it would be that big, guys, but you know, I didn't smoke a hopium pipe this morning. So, you know, 34, yeah, that I would say that's a probability, guys. You got a probability 34. 36, I think is stretching it. You know, you'd have to take a few more hits on the hopium pipe to do the 36. 40K, you want to take 5 to 10 hits, and anything beyond like 45, maybe 50, 55K, you have to just go buy the store of hopium. Okay. All right, guys. Just making a little joke. Look, here's the deal. If you're in Bitcoin, no reason to panic. Even if you're in Ethereum, there's no reason to panic. Ethereum's gonna, at a minimum, be sideways for like another month or two, okay? With a spike up to 2,000, maybe 2,100, possibly. Maybe a wick up to 2,200. Maybe even higher. I don't know. But up and to the right. So hey, you got some time, man. It's not too bad. Now I went over the TradFi markets. I'm not going to go over them again. You go do your own research on the TradFi markets. Coming up into a topping pattern, guys. Coming up into a topping pattern. You got the telltale signals of a topping pattern. What? Look at Nvidia, topping out. Look at Apple. What's going to be in the media? YouTube, CT, Apple. Crash is coming. Doesn't work quite like that, guys. Doesn't work quite like that. Okay. There's a lot more stocks in the indices than just Apple. I know it's the big boy, and if it goes down, it can bring a lot with it, but still trending up a little bit, probably in a correction all the way into September in the NASDAQ. Okay. And then I'll start trending up and finishing off the topping process. But you do have signals over there where you want to be cautious because some of them are peaking out. Tesla. Okay. Microsoft. Right. Apple. These are little signals telling you to go away. I need to pay attention. Same thing here with old Bitcoin. That's on the chart, guys. Okay. Right there that you see on the screen. Bitcoin on the chart, maybe right there, starting at the end of 2024. There might be a little FOMO wave, guys. Get people pumped up. FOMO into Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a lot more strength behind it than Ethereum. So let's go over here to Ethereum, guys. All right. You know, this whole structure on Ethereum. Come on, let's be real here, guys. Over here, let's take a look at this wave, right? Everybody's counting that as a fifth wave. Fifth wave. I mean, you know, 5-wave moves. Do they look like that? I don't know about that one, guys. It's looking awfully 3-wave-ish to me. Okay. So there's something going on with Ethereum, right? A little 3-wave move over here, probably one over here, one over here. I think maybe it might be in that triangle pattern, guys. I'm just going to throw that out there. I'm going to go off the algos more than anything, but hey, there's a pattern right there. A, B, C, D, E, right above the triangle. And then boom. So you got an entry or exit over there. Okay. Exit over here, possibly, which would align with Bitcoin. Okay. And then pop up 22, 23, moon boyish, 24, possibly. You just have to check it out. On the weekly is what I'd be checking out here with Ethereum. Okay. Ethereum. I'm going to show you some evidence. Pay attention. I'm going to show you some strong evidence. Ethereum doesn't look good, guys. And you check it yourself. Okay. On 2 little indicators, 2 cheap, free indicators on TradingView. Okay. So pay attention. So here's what I think. Possibly something like this. You know, Ethereum over here, pop up, do a little shot, do one more shot. Boom. Yeah. Just like that. And you see this 200 weekly moving average in this section. It's going to be going like this. Okay. It's going to be going like that. And it'll come back down. Bitcoin's going to pop up going into September, October-ish, something like that. Remains to be seen. You know, this is all, you know, a little bit of speculation. It's going to come back down, maybe do a bounce back over in this area, do a big bounce over here on that 200. 200 on big bounce on the 200, guys. And then Ethereum, you know, it's 1879 over here in April. It's probably going to be about the same price in, oh, I don't know, almost a year later. Almost a year later. That's not crypto, guys. Crypto. That's not crypto. Come on, man. Going sideways for 1 year. And then you have more of the stories that is getting ready to do the moonshot out of there, right? Just like that. Pay attention to Bitcoin. Okay. I'm not sure about that one, but I'll show you the evidence, guys. All right. Here's the evidence. Just come out to a 2-week chart. 2-week chart on your free evidence. It's all right in front of people's face. Okay. Check this out. I'm going to pop open 2 load indicators down here. Okay. All right. Stochastics in the RSI. See that down there? That's looking awfully weak. You know, you should be checking this out, guys. Like this kind of RSI movement around there, saying that's bullish. Don't know about that, guys. I don't know about that one. That's looking awfully weak. But your telltale sign is right here in the stochastics. You see that? Look at that. So here's Ethereum's trend from June of 22. And it went up right there. Came back down, And now it's up over here. You see that? You see this move right here on that stochastics, guys? That's not a healthy move. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. You come back over here. You can see it's in its trend. It'll go up to the top, right? You get your divergence. It comes back down, whiz back up, got your correction, and then boom, 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 you know? And then you got your massive divergence forming over here, okay? On that wave at up top. This stochastic is massive, hidden, bearish divergence, not bullish. That's bearish, extremely bearish, okay? So sideways on Ethereum for a period of time, maybe a shot up to 2150, 2250. You might get 23. I don't know what. I mean, just all kind of depends. You know, hoping for that price or something like that. Let's check fib targets. Let me put weekly fib targets on there. It does have 2372, 2390. Got a look lower fib targets. Let's check the daily. Check the daily fibs. Daily fibs got 2000, 2074, and 2132. Okay. And lower fib targets 1644, 1554, and 1500. So that's what's going on. You're looking at a bearish structure on Ethereum, guys. Okay. A bearish structure, unfortunately. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Doubt it. Doubt it, guys. Unfortunately, but you have an opportunity still to get out and save yourself from God candles. These. Potentially. Like that. Okay? And I suspect they will be coming over here. Something like that, wherever it starts. Because in this area, you have leveraged up Ethereum at the tunes of hundreds of millions of dollars. And there's a liquidation event at about 13, I think it's 1200. And there's another one at about 1100. More than likely, those whales in Ethereum have been told that's the bottom, and this is a new bull trend. And they just could be surprised. If they don't cover themselves, we've been through this before, guys, been through this before. Think about this. Realistically, the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 going into a topping process right around January, maybe February, might even go out to March. Topping process, right? So the S&P 500 will start its correction, right? NASDAQ will start its correction. And you really think Ethereum's going to be going over here in some sort of moonshot while that's going on? Probably not. Probably not. When they were going down, this is what Ethereum did, guys. When they were going down, right over there. So, go back, recap, let you know, not to boast or brag, just telling you the truth, video evidence. Bottom, Ethereum rocketed out of there. Okay, there was a chance for Ethereum over here, guys. Had a nice deep correction. Could you say it's a 1-2? Sure, definitely could. And then over here, started looking good. You know, could you say that's a 1-2, 1-2? Definitely could. Definitely could. It's hard. You got to let these waves form and be able to possibly forecast events. But then, three-way move in there. And now another three-way move in here. Now another possible three-way move in here. Now we're sitting over here. And we've been sideways for this period of time. Now it's over here. And algos are saying, nuh-uh, not going up. Not a lot. More likely going down that way, guys. So hope that makes sense. Like I said, I think God candles could be coming, especially if those guys, those big Ethereum holders that have a lot of a leveraged up Ethereum with liquidations events at 1,200, 1,300, I'd double check it. 1,100, they don't cover it. Come on, man. You guys know what's going to happen. Pretty simple. And who knows where Ethereum could end up. Probably take out that low right over here. Easy. Of 881 or about 900 bucks. We're just rounding up to 900 bucks. All right. So, not to cause any alarm, not to put any FUD out there, man. What's wrong with this guy? Hey, you got to take what the market gives you, guys. And you cannot be bullish all the time. You got to flip, go bearish. Okay. Sometimes, at least, obviously up here. Okay. And then, obviously you go with the trend. You want to go with the trend. You don't want to go against the trend, especially in crypto. Especially in crypto. Very, very difficult to go against the trend in crypto. Even trading it. You can do it. It's risky, but I wouldn't go against the trend in crypto. Obviously over here, you want to go with the trend. You want to go with the trend. You want to go with that trend. You want to go with this trend. And now the trend in this area is topping out and going into another trend, more than likely, guys. Unfortunately, I don't want it to be like that. Hey, I like being a moon boy. Up and to the right, it's fun. More people like to watch the videos. They want, smoke on like 15 opium pipes a day, talk about how they're going to be rich next year. But hey, sometimes you got to get down out of those clouds and watch a show like the reality crypto show. So, God candles are coming back more than likely, guys. Just got to wait a little while, maybe 2, 3 months, 4 months. Yeah, maybe 2, 3, 4 months on Ethereum. 20% move to the downside on Ethereum. Make some pretty decent cash doing that, guys, to the downside. All right, guys, that is the end of my video. Like I said, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Okay. I'm sideways pretty much on Ethereum, maybe upside 21, 22, 23, and maybe a lucky shot to 24. And then the topping process will be done. So you have a life raft still, guys, on Ethereum and Bitcoin. And like I said, with the altcoins, not going to go into it right now, but on pumps, you might want to think about taking an exit on some of those pumps in the altcoins. All right, guys, that's the end of my video. I've made our way to the end. Do me a huge favor. Drop a like. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.